Today I am explaining the topic about statistics from 10th class. Okay, statistics is a branch of mathematics. Okay, in this statistics, mainly we are measuring three measures of central tendency. So what is that? One is mean, median and mode. These three are called the measures of central tendency. Okay. So to find these measures of central tendency, first we are collecting the data. Data means what? Data is called the collection of information. So data also two types. One is the primary data and another one is the secondary data. So primary data means what? We are collecting the information from the direct from the person. So it is called the primary data. Secondary data, we are collecting the information from the sources or like registers from asking another persons. So this is called the secondary data. So this data also we have two types, grouped data and again ungrouped data. This data we are forming in the grouped data and ungrouped data in the tabular forms. Okay, so from this we are finding mean. Mean means what? Mean. So mean is the mean or average. Mean or average. So sum of observations. Mean formula is sum of observations by number of observations for the raw data. Formula x bar is equal to mean x bar is equal to sum of observations by number of observations. This is the formula for the raw data. For example, given observations are 7, 15, 13, 9, 4. So for this they are asking find the mean. So here what is the observations? 7. Sum of observations. So sum of observations means what? 7 plus 15 plus 13 plus 9 plus 4 by number of observations. So how many are there here? Number of observations 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So by 5. Now add this. What? 7 plus 15, 22. 22 plus 13, 35. 35 plus 9, 44. 44 plus 4, 48. 48 by 5. So 48 by 5 is equal to what? 9.6. So mean of this data what? 9.6. So mean or average, both are same, or we can call this arithmetic mean also. Okay, so this is called direct method. In mean we are finding here in three methods. One is direct method and second one is the deviation method and third one is the step deviation method. In previous classes like in the 9th class or 7th class we learned about this direct method. In 9th class already we learned deviation method also. In 10th class we are going to the another step is a step deviation method. Okay, so now let us discuss to find the mean in a group data. So for example, in a class 10 students marks obtained is marks. This is number of students. 5 marks for 3 students, 10 marks 2 students, and 12 marks 1 student, 15 marks 4 students, and okay, so this is the marks obtained by the 10 students from the class 6. So for this data, how we are finding the mean? Okay, so for this also we are applying, see, observe here, this is the simple numbers only. Okay, marks, 5 marks how many students? 3 students. 10 marks 2 students. 12 marks 1 student, and 15 marks got 4 students. But we have to find the mean of these marks. So for this also we are applying the formula of the direct method. So what is the formula of the mean direct method? Sum of observations by the number of observations. But okay, sum of observations means, sum means what? We can take sigma, no? Sigma fi xi by sigma fi xi by sigma fi. So here fi means what? Frequency. Okay, so now here see, observe marks and number of students. Number of students is a frequency. So marks we can take as x. So 5 marks how many students? 3. 10 marks 2 students. 12 marks 1 student. And 15 marks is 4 students. Okay. So now here add sigma fi. Sigma fi how much? Find out here fi xi. Fi xi means what? Product of the frequency. F into x. So 5 3s are 15. 10 2s are 20. 12 1s are 12. 15 4s are 60. Now add this. Sigma fi xi. Sigma means what? Sum of. Okay. So add this 5 plus 2, 7. 6 plus 1, 7. 7 plus 2, 9. 9 plus 1, 10. So total how many? 107. And sigma fi what? 10 students now we are taking. So to find the mean, what is the formula? Sigma fi xi by sigma fi. So what? 107 by 10. That is equal to what? 10.7. So mean marks what? Mean average marks of this is this data is 10.7. Okay? Do you understand this? Now let us discuss about the mean of the group data. How to find the mean of the group data. So before that, first we want to know about class mark. Okay. So how we'll get the class mark? For example, class intervals what? We'll take the class intervals are 10 to 20 and 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50. So these are the class intervals. So for these class intervals, how we are finding the class mark? Nothing but, class mark is nothing but, it is a midpoint or average of the class boundaries. Okay. So here first class interval, what is the class interval? 10 to 20. So here what is the midpoint? Midpoint is 15. So for this class mark is 15. So what class mark formula is? Class mark is equal to upper boundary plus lower boundary by 2. So here what? 10 plus 20. 10, that means 10 plus 20 by 2. So is equal to what? 30 by 2 is a 15. So for this class mark only we are taking for the group data is xi. So first class mark interval class what group data class mark is a 15. And for the second class interval what? 20, 30. For this 20, 30 class mark what? 20 plus 30, 50. So 50 by 2 is 25. So here 25. And for this 30 and 40 class mark is 31 plus 40, 70. 70 by 2 is 35. And 40 plus 50, 90. 90 by 2 is 45. So look once again observe this what? 10, 20 between mid number also what? 15. And 20, 30 mid number also 25. And 30 to 40 mid number also 35. And 40 to 50, 45. So class mark we can take as a midpoint of the class intervals also. So for this group data, so first of all we want to know how to find the class mark. Okay. So same. So let us observe this problem. So this is the class interval and class mark already I wrote and frequency. So frequency, for example 10 to 20 we got 3 members and 20 to 30 4 members, 30 to 40 is 2 members, 40 to 50 you can take 1 member. Okay, now how we are finding the same mean. So mean is equal to what? Again formula what? Fi xi. So this also I am going to here in direct method only. So again same 15 3s are 15 into 3 45, 25 into 4 100, 35 2s are 70 and 45 ones 45 and same find out sigma fi. Sigma fi is equal to what? 10. And now add this sigma fi xi. So 5 plus 5 10. Okay, and 1 plus 4 5, 5 plus 7 12, 12 plus 4 16 and here 1 plus 1 2. So in the problem if they given what simple numbers we can go the direct method. Okay, so mean we are finding in 3 methods. In previous I explained. I said what? In direct method, deviation method, step deviation method. In any method answer will be the same only. So here mean formula what? Sum of observations. So what? Sigma fi xi by sigma fi. So that is equal to what? 260 by 10. 0 0 cancels. 26 by 1 means what? 26. So what is the mean marks of this 26? Okay, do you understand the direct method? Next, remaining 2 methods. So what? Deviation method and step deviation method. I will explain in the next class. Okay, now I will explain a small topic, range. Okay, so range is not a measure of central tendency. We have the measures of central tendency only 3, that is mean, median and mode. Okay, in the exams they will ask the question which of the following is not a measure of central tendency. So what is the answer? Range. So and again in 2 marks or 1 marks they will ask questions in the range, about the range. What they are giving the some data, for example 7 5 range 12 1 94 36 25. Okay, For this data, find the range. They are asking find the range. So for this, what is the formula of the range? Range is equal to maximum value of the data. Maximum value of the data minus minimum value of the data. Okay, so for this data, what is the maximum value? Maximum value అంటే ఏంటి? ఇక్కడ greatest number. ఇక్కడ greatest number ఏముంది మనకి ఇచ్చిన డేటాలో? 94. So 94 minus, and what is the minimum value of the data? Ikkada observe this. So in this, what is the minimum value? 1. So 94 minus 1 is equal to what? 93. Okay. So range of this data what? 93. Once again I am explaining this formula what? Range of the data is formula what? Maximum value of the data minus minimum value. అంటే మనకు తెలిసిన చిన్న క్లాసెస్లో నేర్చుకునేది కానీ గ్రేటెస్ట్ నెంబర్. ఇక్కడ ఇచ్చిన గ్రేటెస్ట్ నెంబర్, ఈ డేటాలో ఇచ్చిన గ్రేటెస్ట్ నెంబర్ మైనస్ స్మాలెస్ట్ నెంబర్. ఓకే, డూ యూ అండర్స్టాండ్? సో ప్లీజ్ subscribe my channel and like, share this video to your friends.